Alright, what is going on, you guys? Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna walk you through our post-purchase flow and our strategy around the post-purchase sequence. So usually what I see is that many e-commerce brands have only one or two emails in the post-purchase flow, and that's either like the first customer, thank you, hey, thank you for your purchase, and then the second email is like 3 days later, hey, would you like to try something else? And that just simply isn't enough. So yeah, let me walk you through our personalized strategy. Well, of course, we start with the metric placed order, and then conditional split placed order equals 1 over all time. If yes, after 15 minutes, they're gonna receive a first email, thank you for your purchase. Usually the first emails are plain text emails from the founder, simply because they feel more personal, and your goal here is to remove buyer's remorse and also to make them excited about their purchase and also to make them feel appreciated for the purchase. Then 3 days later, you want to send how to use product or what to expect. Now, as I said, the main goal of this email is to remove buyer's remorse, make them excited about the product, teach them about the product, how to use the product, how to maximize results from that product. Now, whether that's a blog post, whether that's a YouTube video, whether that's something on your social media, some tutorial, or maybe some tips and tricks that will help them to get the most out of that product, you want to include that in your post-purchase because your customers will be more excited, and then they will also get the more out of the product, which means they will be happier and they will come back and buy again. Then 4 days later, you want to send an email, hey, follow us on social media, or even join us on SMS list, which is pretty powerful. This is what we recently started and it's printing. So 14 to 30 days later, you want to have a fourth email review request, simply saying, hey, would you like to leave a review? We'd like to hear from you. What's your experience with our product? Then 3 to 14 days later is email 5, upselling and initiating that second purchase. Of course, you want to show personalized content. You don't want to show the same product again and have a headline that says like, hey, would you like to try something else? And then literally have the same product below. Usually we give 10 to 15% off, and then the email 6 is just a plain text email or very short email with the countdown timer saying like, hey, your offer ends in like 5 to 6 hours, hurry up, don't miss it. So if the answer is no and conditional split placed order equals 2 overall time, again we wait 15 minutes. First email, plain text email, is wow, thank you again. Second email is upselling them to VIP list or promoting the subscription program if you have it. Now this totally depends on your brand and your product. If you have higher AOV products, of course you want to invite them to VIP if they spend a lot of money with your brand. But if you're selling a low ticket product, then, and if you have a subscription program, of course you want to do that. And then it's email 3 is just an upsell reminder or subscription program. Usually my clients give a discount for the first month of the subscription, and then we can use that as a reminder on the email 3. Now for the third time customers, we only have one email, again plain text email, thank you for your third purchase with us. Now this might seem like a stupid strategy. Why should I even split these emails if they're pretty much very similar, all plain text emails? Well, because it will make a huge difference how you treat your customers. There's a difference between the generic Klaviyo basic cookie cutter copy and the copy that says like, hey, your name, thank you for the third purchase with us, and maybe saying even some more personalized stuff. That will make them feel appreciated and more connected with your brand, which can make a which can play a huge part in your retention. And then also you want to enter them into VIP flow. If you have a VIP program, loyalty program, that's even better. You can promote that as well. And then the last one, we have conditional split, placed order at least 4 times over all time. Answer is yes, wait 15 minutes. Again, plain text email, it's customers like you that make our brand possible. Pretty simple, but very, very effective strategy. It's currently working best for us. So yeah, steal this, apply it with your brand, and I can guarantee you that you will increase your return customer rate by a lot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.